Guys, in front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So at first, open the settings. Then find and select Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. And here you've got some basic statistics, but if you'll tap on it again, you can get a bit more knowledge. So here you've got all the details. You can check screen time, notifications received, or times opened, however you prefer. You can also scan particular apps and check them daily or hourly, just how you like. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.